Hi everyone, this is Khalid from Simply Programming. I've got a bit of a cold today, but hopefully you can still make out what I'm saying. So I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how lists work in Python, which are really useful construct, well worth getting to know. So I'm just going to create a list of fruit. And you might want to say print out the value of a specific element in the list. Um, that's printed out the whole list. If I want to just print out a specific element, I can just do that. Lists are zero based, as you can imagine, and that gives you the first element, fruit 0. I can print out the last element of a list using a special number, -1. So if you've got a long list, you don't know how many elements there are in the list. If you just do list -1, you get the last element, which in this case is orange. You can change an element in the list. So, for example, I could do fruit. I want to change the banana to a pear for some reason. I'll print the list to test whether that's actually worked. Now our list contains apple, pear, and orange. I can add an element to the end of the list. So pineapple's been added to the end. Or we can insert an element at a specific place. A specific position. So I'm going to try and put mango in between apple and banana. And then print the list out. So yeah, mango's going in between apple and pear because I put a pear in here. What else can we do? We can delete an element by index. So this should take away the first element in the list. As you can see, the names are all fairly intuitive. So our list is now apples being removed from it. Another way to remove an element from the list is a pop method, which actually takes the last element off the list. Yeah, so pineapple's gone there, which was the last element. The other cool thing about pop is that you can save the value. So whereas delete actually just deletes the element that was specified. When you pop, you can save the value of the popped element in a variable like this. missing something there. Yeah, the brackets tied. There we go, it's better. And we get the pair. Finally, another element that you can do is you can remove an element by the name of the element itself. So let's say you don't know where in the list your pair is, you can just say remove pair. And what's happened? Pair's not there. Because we removed it in a previous operation. So I'm going to try removing the mango and see what we've got left. There we go. So when I remove the mango, I get the orange left. So that's just a basic run through of the standard functions in the list object. You can grab this code from my Git repository as normal, which is in the text below.